Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unless specifically indicated on the packaging, McDonald's burger boxes are microwave safe with food inside. The disposable container is made of carton board, and does not contain any metal or plastic coating. 19 August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
It covers the magnetron, which is what generates microwaves, from food splatter and debris. It is not made out of cardboard, even if it looks that way on some models. It's made out of Formica molten rock and shaped into a sheet.
Take our lead.
It's safe to heat up foods in glass, ceramic and containers with a waxy finish. This includes Chinese takeout containers, but remember to remove the metal handles prior to microwaving. You're also good to use paper goods, such as paper plates and paper towels, as well as parchment paper. 26 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The reason you cannot put aluminum foil in the microwave is aluminum foil is a thin piece of metal that gets very hot as microwave currents pass through them. Because aluminum foil is thin, it isn't able to reflect microwaves, and can't convert it to heat like food.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.